This video explains the process of adding Selenium jar files to the project. If Eclipse has not been installed by you, there is no need to worry as I am here to explain how to install it. Here I'm giving some steps to install Eclipse from your browser. After install Eclipse, open your Eclipse application. Here I'm click on Create a Project. Here I'm click on Java Project.
Click on Next and here enter your project name. I'm entering Automation. After that click on Finish. Here see my project is created. And right-click on that and click on New. Here I'm selecting Package. Here I'm entering my package name as Selenium. Click on Finish. Here I'm removing this one. Right-click on the package and click on New. Here select Class. Here I'm entering my class name. Here I'm selecting Main Method. After that click on Finish. Now see here, right-click on Project and click on Build Path and click on Configure Build Path. Here select Libraries. After that click on Class Path. After that click on Class Path. Here some options are enable. Click on Add External Jars. If you're not download Selenium jar files, don't worry, I'm giving a link in my description, then download it. And go to your Selenium jars files where you saved it. Here select all executable jar files. After that click on Open. Here we can see all jar files are added to project. After that click on Apply and Close. And here I'm checking is it working or not. This video I'm not explaining about system.set property, this video only how to add external jar files. Here I'm taking my Chrome driver path. If you're not downloaded it, don't worry, I'm giving that link in my description, then download it.
Here I'm creating a Chrome object, later I'll explain about it. Here I'm giving one URL for checking pupos. Now see successfully Chrome driver access the URL, so this is the process of adding Selenium jar files to your project. I think you got it.